Did you ever ask yourself why you need a BMS when you build a battery system? We don't need that for lead acid batteries. Why does lithium batteries need that? And this is why you need it. This is a spare cell. I used it actually as a sort of balancer. Every time whenever I have a drink which have a high voltage, I used it to bleed off some energy. And later on I had to remove that energy again out of this cell, right? So this happened by connecting a small resistor like this, 1.5 ohm resistor, and this would then cause 2 amps to flow out of this cell again and burn it off. Today I did this again. I connected this battery to my resistor in the morning, and then I unfortunately forgot about it. I had to pick up some gas, etc. So when I returned to my cell, it looked like this. It's about double as thick as it was before, and yeah, this is now trash, right? So a BMS is there to protect the cell from over voltage and under voltage, because if you get over voltage or under voltage condition on a lithium cell, the cell will disintegrate and it will bloat up like this. And especially lithium iron phosphate, you can see every abuse of a cell by looking at its shape. And yeah, no more using of this one for my balancing purposes. I hope you don't make the same mistakes I do. Take care of yourself. I'm open to any comments on the down. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time.